Hello, English teachers. I want to show you a service that I'm wondering if it's worth the money. So for $800 a year through the library site, students can go in and they can look for books the traditional way, or they can use something called WebPath Express. So let's say that I'm looking for service dogs. Oops. Okay, there it is. I can search here, and what happens is I can find articles, and it groups them, blocks them by grade levels, K2, 3, 5, or 6, 8. And it's web addresses that have been administrator approved instead of just using Google as a whole. I feel like it has some credence to it, but between Badgerlink and using regular search tools, I don't know if it's worth the money. Just so you know, the high school side's only $300. It costs more for the elementary side. If you think this is worth the money, I will buy it. Continue to use it. Otherwise, I'm going to drop it off of our annual subscription with our library service with Destiny. Thanks.